Hey there guys, my name's Ian, and today we're going to be looking at some hidden keys on the split keyboard for the iPad. There are two ways to split the keyboard. First way is to hold this button down here, slide your finger up, and that will split your keyboard. And you can put it back down like that. The second way is to use two fingers and swipe out like that. Okay, so now we've split our keyboard. Let's look at where the hidden keys are located. The hidden keys are next to the T, G, V, Y, H and B. If I tap next to the T, I should get a Y, and next to the G is an H, next to the V is a B, on the other side next to the Y is a T, next to the H is a G, and next to the B is a V. So that's how to find the hidden keys on the split keyboard. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comment section. If this video helped you out, please leave that thumbs up and click that subscribe button for more future videos. My name's Ian. Have a great day.